So I'm still up in the fertile lands. I've noticed a bug. I'm trying to cook a feed, but it splits into two pots. It's weird. I'll see if I can replicate it. Seems, I don't know, it's some sort of bug. I just use this pot up. Not being very aggressive with me up here for some reason. So there's a pot. Fill it up water. Might just use polluted water. So gonna make a stew. Light the fire. Drop the pot. Drop some meat. Oh, don't know if that meat went in, did it? It sort of... See? Splits into two. Got two pots and my food's gone. Weird. Weird bug. It's beautiful how the birds do that.